Welcome to the show how to check battery health information into our Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. First of all, open the Play Store and find Ampere application. This one need downloading and installing, so wait a second for install. And now click open. Then click yes I agree, close and OK button. So here need to swipe on the right, and here we got in the second column our health information. So our health battery is good. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.